with another craft video. So what are we making today? We are going to make these super cool, super cute party wear eyeglasses for the new year 2022. Shall we begin? And so, as always, let's quickly run through the materials that we will need for this cool craft. A laptop? No, we don't need a laptop. So I'm closing this and I'm keeping this aside. So I have this cardboard kind of a sheet so that the glasses are a little bit sturdy and nice. Pencil, measuring tape or scale, paints, or you can go ahead and do it with your oil pastels or crayons. If you are using paint, you need a paintbrush, some sketch pens, and also to decorate the glass, to make it a little funky, we can have some stickers, some chunkies. That's it. We can begin the craft. Now the first thing that we need to ready is our main eyeglass frame. For that, I've already done my eyeglass frame on this cardboard paper that I've taken. We can also take a closer look of this and find out what are the dimensions. What you do to begin with, you can just score a line 16 centimeter. Then on that, you can make on the edges 1.5 and 1.5. And then 2.5 to this side, 2.5 to this side. And in between, you have to make two circles like this with 1 centimeter gap in between. And also the circle dimension is 5 to 5. Children can take help from their parents for this. But just in case if you have a printer at home and if you can take a printout, I have also given a printable template in the description below. You can take the printout on a white paper, normal paper, cut it out and then draw the same on a little thick chart paper or a cardboard paper. So what is the year that we are heading to? 2022. So what I'm going to do on the top, I'm going to write 2022. Always when you're drawing something, first do it light so that if something goes wrong, it's easy to erase and correct it. 2022. Now this 2022 was an option. If you don't want to do this, it's perfectly fine. Now the next thing is I'm going to cut this out. In case if you have done the 2022 as well, while cutting you have to cut along with the number. Also what you can do is, instead of cutting this first, you can go ahead and color everything, decorate your eyeglasses and then cut it later. See how carefully and slowly I have done the cutting, and also after finishing the cutting I have outlined everything with the black sketch pen. Now the next main thing is we have to cut out the inner circles as well. Inserting my scissor here at one point and I'm going to cut. Both the inner circles are out and our glass frame is perfectly ready. Now we have to do the side frames. In case you have the printable template that I have given in the description box, you can cut it out from the template, keep it on the chart paper or the cardboard, trace it out and then cut. We need 2 of these. See, I have traced it out. Now we need another one. In case if you are doing it manually, draw 2 8 centimeter lines, 1.5 width in between, and then just bring it up and do a curve. So now that we have everything ready, next thing is to color this. Do some patterns, or if you want you can do single coloring also, whichever way you want to do. Always lay something below just in case if you are using paints. Don't do directly on the table. And while painting the side frames, the side sticks, make sure that you're doing both the sides or you're doing on parallel sides. Before assembling the eyeglass, I thought we can decorate it with some chumkies. You can also do it with some pom-poms or some small stickers, whatever you have with you. And also I have this sparkly star, little star, which I'm going to place here. Ooh, that looks super cute. Right? Now, while attaching the side frame, you have to make sure that it is aligned properly. Now, this is the part where we have to put the glue and stick the frames this way. And then you can bend it like this. On the other side, put some glue, attach the side frame, allow it to stick, and then you have to gently fold this. Both the curvy part should be facing downwards. Yay! So our super cool party wear eyeglasses are ready, which says 2022. So cool and pretty, right? How do you like it? Isn't that cool? So that's all for today. Thanks for joining. Happy 2022 to all of you. I'll see you all soon in the next video. Bye from Atu Miss.